Canva just changed the game with Canva AI. Now you can create presentations, travel guides, and even images just by typing a few words. In this video, I will show you real examples from Canva's official launch and how you can use these AI tools right now. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. So let's dive in. Open canva.com into any browser you have and navigate to Canva AI on the left bar of screen. You will see a simple design new Canva AI bar here. On the top here we have three options. You can continue with creating your designs. In templates you have a million of templates, and here you have the Canva new AI. Canva AI introduced our most loved features here into single interface. Let's try first design for me. Let's say I run a travel business. I have typed in the prompt. I could also send the prompt in the voice message, and also let's select the presentation, and we want AI to showcase the destination of New York in a perfect presentation using Canva AI. Listen this. Canva AI has generated few of presentation with a perfect designs for us. And let's suppose we are not happy with our design. So I want Canva AI again to make style more clean and modern. Let's go ahead and send this. Here are some more results from Canva. Perfect. We can choose these designs to change the color from here and even swap out some of the images. Great. And when we are happy, we could get it to Canva editor. You can even go ahead and ask Canva to generate notes for you. Canva will generate a note on the basis of your provided article that will make easy for you to present it. After creating a travel guide presentation, in the next example, let's create a personalized itinerary with Drafter Doc. We can start giving some basic travel details and want Canva to turn it into something beautiful. And here we get a perfect, personalized, and beautiful doc. We can directly take it to editor to make any final edits. In our next and most important example, let's see how we can create an image. Default 16:9 is fine. Now let's give our prompt to Canva and we are ready to submit the prompt. And I got my prompt results down below. I've given the prompt a man with a beard standing in dark, foggy horror jungle at night, holding glowing sword, wearing a rugged warrior outfit with an intense expression and cinematic light. I could copy and reuse the prompt, and to see the results, let's go ahead and click on this image. You could just go ahead and download images for you. If you want to make any changes in an image, you can specify in a prompt here. Now let's open this image into an editor. After making your required changes into an editor, you could go to the share button and then download this image to your computer. And there are many AI tool that convert images to the video. You could just come to Canva, generate your images with the prompt and turn those images to the video. So that's all about new Canva AI, from generating full presentations, documents to creating stunning images using just a prompt. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others who might find Canva AI useful too. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.